Hello everyone, my name is Cindy. Welcome to KidsMAKE, brought to you by the Pikes Peak Library District. Today we're going to be making Ninja Warriors! This is what you'll need. 3 chenille stems, one for each figure that you want to do. A wooden bead big enough to be the head, that would be 5/8 to 3/4 inch. 1 or 2 regular size colored plastic drinking straws for each figure that you want to do. 5 pony beads for each figure. A small wire cutters if you have one. Some scissors. A ruler. Some permanent markers to make the face and to decorate your figures. Some glue. And then these things are optional. If you happen to have a little bit of yarn or some extra chenille stems or felt scraps or any other decorative items, you can pull those out to help decorate your figures. Take one of your chenille stems and twist it around the other 2 chenille stems 3 or 4 times so that they will stay together. And you want to do this about 2/3 of the way up. Then arrange the stems like that. Take your 3 pony beads and slide them up over the 2 legs all the way up to the place where you made the twist. With a permanent marker, make a face on your bead and then slide it down over the 2 top chenille stems like that. With your wire cutters, cut off some of the extra chenille stems above the head, but leave enough of them to coil into a little bun. Like that. You can use some glue to hold the bun in place. With the scissors, cut 8 1 1/4 inch sections from your straw. Slide 2 of the straw sections over each one of the arms. And then form the end of the chenille stem into a little mitten hand with a thumb, or just a round hand is fine. If you have any extra, tuck that into the straw. Slide a section of straw over each leg, add a pony bead, and then another section of straw. Then form the bottom of the chenille stem into a big foot. You want it to be big so your ninja guy can stand up when you're finished. And if there's any extra, tuck it back into the straw. If you want, you can decorate your ninja's helmet with permanent marker. You can make some accessories with the extra chenille stems, like a sword. And if you want your figure to have hair, cut a few strands of yarn and hold them in place with the chenille wire on the top.
And here we have a red ninja. Ooh, but how about a blue ninja? Or a green ninja? Or maybe a yellow ninja? Ooh, how about a princess with kitty cat ears? Or how about a ninja warrior princess with a crown and a sword? Or how about rainbow ninja with a cape? Or how about baby ninja, or superhero ninja, or zombie ninja, or monster ninja, or sparkling ninja, or motorcycle